Well, the Center for Social Awareness, Advocacy and Ethics, in collaboration with the Youth Empowerment Solutions Project Initiative and the Center for Health Education and Vulnerable Support, has organized an enlightenment program for a number of youths on how to protect their rights and end police brutality. Participants of the program, which was held in Awka and powered by Voice, were selected, one person each from the 21 local government areas of the state, who were expected to step down the knowledge garnered during the program to other youths in their various communities and local government areas at the end of the program. Correspondent Emmanuel Okonkwo again tells us more.
AAE is a non-profit organization that fights for good governance, rule of law, human rights and anti-corruption, advances quality education, entrepreneurship and job placement, as well as promotes effective leadership and leadership training. The event will theme Sorosoke or Pack Well, Ending Police Brutality and Human Rights Violation in Nigeria featured series of presentations on how to protect one's human rights, end police brutality, secure a safer society for the youths and curb corruption, among others. In separate presentations, Anambra State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Professor Chika Ifemeje, represented by the State Solicitor General and Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Justice, Barrister Ngozi Uno, and Vice Chairman, Nigeria Bar Association, Aba Chapter, Barrister Victor Onwere Mado, while regretting the poor human rights records in the country, asked youths to always speak up peacefully when their human rights are trampled upon in order to get deserved justice from the judicial arm of the government.
We must make a country that respects fundamental rights, the rule of law. That's why you obtain your PVC. Arm yourself with your PVC. We can make change. We must not be afraid. We must not be intimidated. We must not say because let us use their gun on us. We must not say if we do that, they will remove our clothes and leave us naked. We must always stand on our rights.
Also speaking, the Commissioner for Youth Development, Mr. Patrick Aramba, represented by Permanent Secretary in the Ministry, Dr. Daniel Ezangu, Special Advisor to Anambra State Governor on Youth Empowerment, Dr. Nelson Omenura, and Director, Citizens' Rights Directorate and Office of the Public Defender, Barrister Nedi Okechukwu, represented by Barrister Judith Mokwe, encouraged the youths to be focused and work hard for the actualization of their life dreams and stressed the need for continuous harmonious and peaceful strive for social justice in Nigeria. Reacting to questions and comments on police brutality during the event, the Anambra State Commissioner of Police, Mr. Echeng, represented by the Police Public Relations Officer, Mr. Tochukwu Ikenga, asked the public to stop seeing the police as their enemy, but rather be law-abiding at all times and report any misconduct and harassment from any police officer to the appropriate authority for immediate action. In an interview, the founder and executive director, CSAAE, Reverend Father Goswill Abagwa, who spoke through the project lead, Sorosoke Project, Mr. David Nwonwu, explained that Sorosoke Project aims at building, training and empowering a movement of passionate and patriotic youths who will work as community gatekeepers to track and monitor human rights violations. In separate interviews, some of the participants, including Mr. Israel Oji from Awka South and Ms. Kosisochukwu Obianefo from Nnewi South, promised to step down the knowledge garnered to youths in their local government areas, saying that the knowledge will make the youths to speak up when necessary and will reduce police brutality to nearest minimum.
It's been very impactful, very educating. Like they said, information is power. So many things we've not known before. They've taught us about human rights, how to speak up in the right way, and how to go about cases, not about violence, but in a constructive manner. Because it's not all about peaceful protest. There are other ways to actually go about it. They've really shown us how law is power.
In Awka, I am Emmanuel Okonkwo, reporting for ABS News.